The summer is here and hello angels and welcome back to my channel. RaeNatural here for another video. Okay, so I know y'all been seeing these ladies on social media with hair down their backs claiming it is this rice water. So as the frugal queen, I think this has my name all over it, using the most inexpensive thing in your house for your hair. Sounds like a RaeNatural kind of thing. So I'm about to get into this rice water challenge. If you want to see how I make my rice water, keep watching.
So you want to start off with a container that preferably has a lid, some rice of course. I use about a liter of water, a measuring cup for accuracy, and essential oil of your choice. I prefer brown rice over white rice because it is less processed. But yeah, so go ahead and add your brown rice into your container. Add your liter or so of water. And then once you have all that in your container, you want to let it sit for at least 10 hours, preferably 20 hours, with the lid on, of course. After your rice has fermented, you'll have something that looks like this, bubbles and all. And once you go ahead and have this, you want to go and strain it into a container. You'll notice that the brown rice, is now a little lighter. The nutrients have gotten into the water and will leave you with something that I think looks like beer. I use a spray bottle to apply the rice water to my hair for easy application. And don't forget your essential oil. The essential oil I'm using today is rosemary, organic rosemary, since it is good for your hair and it smells better than the rice water. I add approximately 7 drops of the oil. And I get to applying the rice water to my hair. I use this method of application because it is easier to do it like this than to. I am penetrating all the sections of my hair like this. So I just spray until my hair is completely saturated. I think I use about half of what I made, so a half a liter of rice water.
So last night I was able to rinse the rice water out of my hair and let my hair air dry to this morning. So I'm just going to take it down and add some coconut oil for styling, and yeah, show you all the results. Okay, and this is the finished product. What I like about the rice water is that it does treat my hair like a deep conditioning mask would, but like we all know is more inexpensive. So win-win. Okay, ladies, get you some rice, get you some water, do this rice water challenge, angels, and go ahead and let me know how you like it in the comments below. Okay, and if you know of any other inexpensive kind of, I guess, DIYs, do-it-yourselfs, or how-tos, put in the comments if you want me to try them, and I'll do it because the frugal queen got time. Okay, so thanks for watching this rice water video tutorial, and go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and as always, ladies, have a blessed life.